Grace is an exorcist who uses toy guns and glow sticks to drive out demons. One day, a boy named Joo-hyuk suddenly felt a sharp pain in his neck, as if he had been stung by something. Grace pulled out a hard jelly from his wound. It seems that he has been corrupted by an evil spirit. After Joo-hyuk left, Grace saw the remnants of Handsome in the corridor and realized the seriousness of the matter. She rushed to find Handsome's homeroom teacher. Walking up the stairs, a couple is getting intimate. Just look at the viscosity of the jelly. You can tell how sweet it is. Seeing Joo-hyuk's homeroom teacher, Grace was very surprised because he had a layer of holy light on him. Grace had never met a person with holy light protection before. After explaining the situation, the two of them went to look for Joo-hyuk. Walking down the stairs, Grace saw a lot of red jelly on the ground and followed the jelly down to the basement.